Have you ever wanted to buy a model home? Now is your chance. This is the Magnolia floor plan from builder TriPoint Homes. This home was so popular when it was selling new that they actually had to close the wait list because it was so long. There are many upgrades throughout. This home features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, including a downstairs bedroom and bathroom, plus an office, plus a loft. You have a 3-car tandem garage. You have paid-for solar on a really large lot. You have no rear neighbor and views. Located in the community of Audie Murphy Ranch, you will find some of the best amenities in all of Menifee, including multiple pools, clubhouse, walking trails. There's a huge sports park right next door. You also have a brand new middle school and the elementary school located right here in the community. I can't wait to show you around.